Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Salesflare, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a file or document to an account in Salesflare? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a document into your account in Salesflare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably working with a lot of different customer accounts, projects, and sometimes you're going to want to save various documents. That could be photos, it could be invoices, it could be proposals. And with Salesflare, you can add it directly into the customer account. Whatever the reason is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a file or a document into one of your customer accounts, here on the left side, click on Accounts. Once you do that, you're going to see all the accounts here on the left side that you're working with. So for today, we'll go ahead and choose this company. Once you do that, you're going to see this button here on the top, Files. Click on there. Okay, they let you know you can go ahead and just drop the file right here, and it's going to upload into your customer account. Or you can click right here, Add File, and pull it from your desktop, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, once you add the file, it's going to start uploading. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I've added this document here to my customer account. So if I switch over to this customer account, it's not going to show that document. So we'll click right here. Okay, so here I am the Yahoo customer account, and then we can click on Files, and it's always going to show that file for anyone who's working in here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a file or a document into a customer account using your Salesflare, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.